Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Today I am here to discuss about SSC CGL 2019 exam comparison with SSC CGL 2018 examination. Here we will discuss about SSC CGL 2018 Tier 3 exam result based on various categories and lists applicable to the posts. Also, we will discuss about normalization effect that has been taken place in the previous year. Also, in our discussion, we will discuss about the examination result declaration date of SSC CGL 2019. So let us begin the discussion. For the discussion, we have already prepared the things on the board to keep in mind the time slot. So let us begin. Here is the SSC CGL 2019 comparison with SSC CGL 2018. Based on Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3, candidates shortlisted for DV and skill test post-wise in 2018. मीन्स 2018 के SSC CGL एग्ज़ाम में Tier 1, Tier 2 और Tier 3 के आधार पर जो प्रतिभागी सेलेक्ट हुए थे उनकी सूची यहाँ पर दर्शाई गई है। तो ये हमारे पास ईयर 2018 टियर 3 कट ऑफ लिस्ट है। द लिस्ट 1 इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर द पोस्ट AAO एंड लिस्ट 2 इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर द पोस्ट JSO. लिस्ट 3 इज एप्लीकेबल फॉर द पोस्ट्स below the AAO and JSO. And list 4 also applicable to the lower categories of the list. So if we look at the list 1 which is applicable for the post of AAO and we look at the category, first we look at the UR category. Here is the UR category for the unreserved candidate. Cutoff marks in the Tier 3 exam were 686.28548 and for the OBC category cutoff marks were 656.39436 and for the ST category cutoff marks were 586.19412 and for SC category cutoff marks were 602.9012 and for OH category 574.24393 and for the HH category 475.45173. Similarly, for the OPWD category, cutoff marks were 285.66610. Here, one thing is to observe that in the Tier 3 exam result, cutoff score has been taken up to 5 places of decimal. So this is very important, wherein point value of decimal matters a lot. Now, list 2, which is applicable for the post of JSO, category UR, cutoff marks were 584.70778. For OBC category, cutoff marks were 560.97883. For ST category, cutoff marks were 454.22337. And for SC category, cutoff marks were 484.18283. For OH category, cutoff marks were 393.82574. And for HH category, cutoff marks were 269.42244. So, we could see list 1 applicable to AAO, list 2 applicable to JSO, list 3 post not mentioned, but we can consider it is applicable to the inspectors and section officers and similar. In the list 3, cutoff marks for the UR category were 539.32091 and for OBC category 520.58282, for ST category 439.80105, for SC category 467.93109, for OH category 374.85996, for HH category 292.38905, and for the VH category 439.56113. So this is the list 3, and in list 4 cutoff marks for the UR category were 512.44384, cutoff marks for OBC 477.72161, for ST category cutoff marks 407.11278, and for SC category cutoff marks 431.87042, for OH category cutoff marks 374.85996, for HS category cutoff marks 256.55850, and for the VH category cutoff marks were 379.65441. At the same time, cutoff marks for the ex-serviceman ESM category were 288.12000. So here the thing which is to be noticed is that the cutoff marks has gone up to 5 points of decimal. Also, the cutoff marks for the list 1, which is applicable to AAO, Assistant Audit Officer, for that only document verification will be carried out. Similarly, for the list 2, Junior Statistical Officer also, document verification will be carried out. Similarly, for the list 3 candidate, CPT and DV both are applicable, and for list 4 DEST and DV both are applicable. Here CPT is Computer Proficiency Test and DEST test is Data Entry Speed Test. So we should know what is CPT and what is DEST. So here the important thing to note is that these marks are taken out from 700 total marks. As we are aware that the tier 1 includes 200 marks, tier 2 includes 400 marks, and tier 3 100 marks. So here this is taken out from 700 marks. If we look at the tier 2 cutoff of 2018, about tier 2 cutoff, we have mentioned, of course, in our previous discussion. Still, to show, we have taken some of the categories, like for the ex-serviceman category, list 3 includes ex-serviceman and cutoff marks were 255.12. Similarly, for the UR category in list 1, cutoff marks were 572.51, and in list 2, for the UR category, cutoff marks were 535.86, and in list 3, for the UR category, cutoff marks were 433.00. Similarly, for the SC category, list 1, cutoff marks were 463.15, And for the SC category list second, cutoff marks were 433.95. SC category list 3, cutoff marks were 354.74. So this we have mentioned from the tier 2 cutoff list just to take the variation from tier 2 to tier 3. If we look at here, 255 and here it is 288. So the difference we can see 33 marks means in the tier 3 we have mentioned minimum qualifying marks for all category fixed at 33. These are the 33 marks for the tier 3 examination which was for 100 marks. Now we are also well versed that tier 4 examination for the 2018 SSC CGL has been conducted on 18th and 19th December 2020. So this is very important to focus and flash a focus on this. What has been asked and what the pattern has been here. So in the skill test conducted on 18 and 19 December 2020, in that for DEST master text passage of 2000 key depression was there and time allotted was 15 minutes. मीन्स स्किल टेस्ट में डेस्ट DEST के अंतर्गत 2000 की डिप्रेशन यानी कि कंप्यूटर की कुंजी दबाना है 2000 बारी, उसका एक मास्टर टेक्स्ट था जिसको 15 मिनट के अंतर्गत टाइप करना था. बेस्ड ऑन दी पार्टिसिपेंट्स फीडबैक इट वाज possible to complete within 12 to 15 minutes. So the important thing to remember is that master text passage of 2000 key depression in 15 minutes. Also PPT and Excel presentation of 15 mark followed by taking printout on which candidate credential means PowerPoint presentation and Excel presentation were also there. And time duration for this were 15 minutes. और इनके बाद इनका प्रिंट आउट लेना था सबका. प्रिंट आउट लेने के बाद कैंडिडेट के क्रेडेंशियल यानी रोल नंबर, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर, नेम एंड ऑल डिटेल्स आर टू बी फिल्ड. If not filled, 0 marks will be given. Has been mentioned in the SSC CGL notification notice. Also, if we talk about normalization point of view, in normalization 12 to 15% increase or decrease has been observed in tier 2 examination. अगर हम 2018 SSC CGL एग्ज़ाम के टियर 2 की बात करें और उसके नॉर्मलाइजेशन की बात करें तो उसमें नॉर्मलाइजेशन में 12 से 15% मार्क्स या तो बढ़ गए हैं या घट गए हैं. ये देखने वाली बात है. साथ ही साथ SSC CGL का रिजल्ट आने की जो बात है, SSC CGL एग्जाम रिजल्ट 20 फरवरी 2021 डेट SSC ने अपने नोटिस में मेंशन किया हुआ है. तो SSC की साइट पर विजिट करते रहना है और ये सारे अपडेट्स लेते रहना है. एट द सेम टाइम हमने ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया कि SSC CGL टियर 1 में नॉर्मलाइजेशन में जो चेंज देखने के लिए मिला वो 57% तक चला गया था। लेकिन जो कट ऑफ लगा तो कट ऑफ में ड्रास्टिक चेंज देखने के लिए मिला टीयर 1 में। और वो अगर हम देखें कि एक्स सर्विसमैन कैटेगरी की बात करें तो जो पिछले साल 40 मार्क्स पर लगा था वो इस साल टचिंग टू 90 मार्क्स पे चला गया। उसी तरीके से अदर कैटेगरीज के लिए भी ये काफ़ी बढ़ गया था इस बार। इससे हम उम्मीद लगा सकते हैं कि ये जो हमारी कट ऑफ मार्क्स है 2018 की, इससे हम अपने एसएससी सीजीएल 2019 की तुलना कर सकते हैं और अपने मार्क्स की कंपैरिजन के आधार पर अपनी पोस्ट के बारे में भी सोच सकते हैं। हियर वन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट is observed that in the tier 4 examination which is of skill test, here only skill test has been conducted on 18th and 19th December, means document verification is still pending. Otherwise in the previous year document verification and this skill test were conducted simultaneously, means for the document verification point of view candidates has to be ready for the one more moment. एक बार डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन के लिए जाने के लिए प्रतिभागी को फिर से तैयार रहना होगा, जो एसएससी सीजीएल 2018 एग्ज़ाम में अभी तक आगे बढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ एसएससी सीजीएल वालों को ये नोट करने वाली बात है कि रिजल्ट आने के बाद स्किल टेस्ट होगा, तो स्किल टेस्ट में क्या होगा, DEST डेटा एंट्री स्पीड टेस्ट होगा, जिसमें कि एक मास्टर टेक्स्ट पैसेज इस बार जो आया है 2000 की डिप्रेशन का है, तो उसी प्रकार से वहाँ भी होगा। टाइम ड्यूरेशन 15 मिनट होगा। पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन एंड एक्सेल प्रेजेंटेशन भी होगा 15 मिनट में, 15 मिनट भी हो सकता है, ये अलग अलग होगा तो। और साथ ही साथ इनके प्रिंट आउट लेने हैं। प्रिंट आउट लेने के बाद उस पर कैंडिडेट को अपने क्रेडेंशियल डालने हैं और तब जाके ये जमा करना है। अगर ये क्रेडेंशियल ना डाल पाए तो 0 मार्क्स अलॉट किया जाएगा। सो इन आवर डिस्कशन आवर मेन इशू वाज टू फोकस ऑन द SSC CGL 2018 examination with a comparison to the 2019 SSC CGL examination. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being with us. धन्यवाद।